Yeah, as it should be. Right, okay, we can cut up closer now and head towards the starboard thing. They're well to port. They are beautiful though. Lovely green. Oh, see those like wooden strips?
Yeah.
See this, like this water's quite deep up to right close there. In fact, you see that can there, the red thing on the mast, that's the channel marker.
Oh, right.
So that's like 10-15 metres of the shore.
So we're sort of edging on these things a little bit.
No, it's fine.
Plenty of room anyway.
Yeah. Look at it. A wave. Oh, she's so beautiful. I think that's what they call a Bristol Channel pilot cutter. Or it's very similar to one anyway. Basically, the pilot boats were built to be really fast because you get paid a pilotage fee for being the pilot for a boat coming into port, and the first person there gets the job. So they would race to get to any big ships coming into port to get the pilotage into the harbour.
It's like
Yeah, I guess so.
moving around.
Exactly. Right, let's turn up this way a bit. We can pass that. Do you see that red buoy there? That's our next marker, so we don't want to go too close to the shore here. And we're fine, but we still got 13 metres, look, but it means we'll give everybody a nice wide berth. Fingers crossed the visitor mooring is empty, otherwise we'll have to come back out and do something else. I guess we could just find an empty buoy and apologise in the morning. That's the wreck of Mulberry Harbour. I think it's one of the prototypes or something that was used for disembarkation at D-Day. Well, that one wasn't. Oyster catchers. Morning in Langstone. Sign of Sound's just being real bad time. Strong tide to play. Look at what the sandpipers have left me. It's going to need a good brush. Nice day though.
We'll come back one day and have a play on it.
Yes, I'd like to. With a rigid tender. One that doesn't pop. Yeah, kind of. Or in a.
This is a more way of doing it.
Yeah. Sorry.
Close.
Yeah.
Not all.
And then we'll be probably a beam reach on the way into Chichester.
Okay.
Or
So
a broad reach.
It would be a broad reach, or if we went a reach. Well, it's a beam reach or a broad reach, depending on how far we want to take our first line.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Big convoy of boats all trying to get into Chichester Harbour. Just passing Chichester Bar there. 3.3 metres under the keel.